Welcome to the Eneris video tutorial series. In this video, we're going to show you how to use report templates to preload data into your inspection reports. Start off by clicking on Settings and then clicking on Templates. In this area, you can add new templates and edit them to set them up the way you need. I'm going to go ahead and create a template for a condo inspection. And in this inspection, it isn't possible to inspect the roof. Now that I've created it, I can go and edit the template. Editing the template allows us to fill in sections of the report so that we don't have to do it on site. As an example, I'm going to add some data to the roofing limitations section of the report to let our clients know that because this apartment or condo is on the 15th floor of a 20-story building, inspecting the roof is not applicable. Now let's go into the roofing section and add a little more data. So again, I'm clicking not applicable for the roof inspection method because this is a condo. And I'll fill in some basic example data for the roof type as well. Once I click Save, I can safely exit this template mode, and then I can go into a report and load the template as I need. Once again, we can see that the template is still in our available template list, just as it was before. So now let's click on a scheduled report and see if we can load this template. Scrolling down, you'll see a box for Load Template. Click Load Template and then pick from the list of the templates. So here we pick the one we made earlier, and it warns us that adding the template will overwrite the current report. Now that I've loaded the template, when I go into roofing for this report, I can see that the additions are already there. Same thing goes for the other fields that I had filled out previously. Clicking on the checkboxes to the right of each inspection subject allows us to give ourselves a note that we have in fact looked at these inspection subjects. And that's all there is to adding a report template to your newly created reports.